The three important properties of light are reflection, refraction, and diffraction. Reflection is when a beam of light hits a surface and bounces in another direction. Shiny, smooth surfaces reflect light well, like a mirror, or still water, like a lake. Reflection of light reacts differently depending on the type of surface. Regular reflection occurs when a beam of light falls on a shiny surface. It is reflected as a parallel beam. When a beam of light strikes a rough surface, reflection is not uniform as the light gets scattered. This is called irregular reflection. There are two main laws of reflection. The first law states that the incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane of incidence. The normal is the line perpendicular to the surface and divides the angle between the incident ray and reflected ray into two equal angles. The second law states that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. There are many uses for reflection, such as to make sure your hair looks great at the start of the day, by the dentist to check if your teeth are in healthy condition, to drive safe, and to check what vehicles are behind in your rearview mirror. Have you ever wondered why ambulance is spelled in reverse on the bonnet? This is because of the lateral inversion, where a plane mirror reflects the reverse image. For example, when you wave in a mirror with your right hand, it looks like another you is waving back with their left. There are two types of image, real and virtual. Real images appear in front of the mirror by use of concave mirrors, whereas plane mirrors are the only objects that show real objects as a virtual image and make it appear to live in the mirror. There are several features of an image formed by a plane mirror. The size of the image formed is equal to the size of the object. The image is upright. The left and right sides of the image have interchanged, known as lateral inversion. The image is formed behind or within the mirror. When light rays travel from one medium to another, the light rays bend. This bending of the light or the change in direction is known as refraction. When a light ray hits a medium at a 90 degrees angle, also known as a right angle, it refracts through the normal on the same path. When a light ray hits a medium at an angle other than the right angle, it will refract on a different path. The incident ray and the normal forms the angle of incidence, while the refracted ray and the normal forms the angle of refraction. Diffraction is the slight bending of light which happens when passing through a slit or passing around the edge of an object, such as the sun shining through a cloud on a cloudy day. Diffraction of light rays can be represented in a ray diagram as shown. The larger the gap, the lesser the diffraction. Optical instruments in laboratories use diffraction grating, where light is split into several beams. Due to the sensitivity of the refractive index, diffraction grating is used as a sensor to gather information, such as analyzing the components of stars and universe's act. However, you may have seen examples for incidence in refraction in your daily life. For instance, when light hits the bottom of a CD, it demonstrates the diffraction grating by reflecting light waves along a wall. This same principle is used in discourse to create a party atmosphere.